In today's video, I'll teach you how to watch MMA online in TrillerTV. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in thrillertv.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TrillerTV. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to watch the MMA, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is click on this option categories that you can see on the screen. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for MMA. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the MMA interface. You'll be able to find the streams of MMA over here. You'll be able to find various live streams. So what you have to do is simply click on the live stream of MMA that you would like to watch. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to watch the MMA. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for watch 10-minute free. If you click on it, you'll be able to watch this live stream for 10 minutes. If you want to watch more than 10 minutes, what you have to do is click on this option, watch with Triller TV Plus. But for that, you need to have the subscription of Triller TV Plus. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, watch with Triller TV Plus. If you have the subscription, you'll be able to watch it. If not, you can see over here, you'll be prompted to subscribe to Triller TV. What you have to do is simply click on this option, proceed to checkout, complete the transaction, subscribe to Triller TV, and you'll be able to watch this particular MMA video. So like this, you'll be able to watch the MMA in Triller TV. So that is how you watch MMA online in Triller TV. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.